Hello students, today we are going to discuss the second numerical of Castigliano's method. Question is written as find the horizontal displacement of joint C in the given frame. Now we need to compute the horizontal displacement of joint C for the frame shown in this figure whose support A is fixed and is having a point load of 10 kN acting in the vertical downward direction at joint C. The length of member BC will be equals to 2 meter and AB will be equals to 4 meter and EI is constant for this whole frame. Now for finding the horizontal displacement of joint C, we need to create or we need to make a horizontal force of W whose value will be equals to 0 kilonewton. Now for finding the horizontal displacement, we need to compute the moment along this x axis as well as this x axis. Okay. Now the moment along this axis will be equals to minus 10x, minus sign is because of hogging moment, plus w into 0 because the perpendicular distance of this force will be equals to 0. So the total mx equation will be equals to minus 10x. Now at the span AB we will have the moment equals to minus 20 minus wx. Minus 20 is because of this point load. Due to this point load, there will be a moment acting like this of magnitude 20 kilonewton meter. Now, because of the joint equilibrium of B, we will have a moment like this in the span AB whose magnitude is 20 kilonewton meter. Okay. Now, we will just compute the moment along this x axis which will be equals to minus 20 because of hogging moment and because of this W load. By the free body diagram we will have the moment due to this W load equals to minus W into x. So we will have the total moment equals to minus Wx minus 20. Now for finding the horizontal displacement at joint C, we need to compute the table or we need to compute the value in this table. Now for member BC and BA, we will write the mx equation as minus 10x and minus wx minus 20. Now we need to compute the del mx upon del w value, for which we need to differentiate this mx value. Now for span BC, there will be no W force in this expression, so del mx upon del W will be equals to 0. Now in BA, there will be a single term of minus Wx, so its differentiation will be equals to minus x. Now we will compute the value, that is integration mx into del mx upon del W into dx upon EI. For BC, it will be equals to 0 and for BA, it will be equals to what? 160 upon EI. Now the total deflection of joint C in the horizontal direction will be equals to what? 160 upon EI. That will be the complete solution of this question. We had computed the horizontal displacement of joint C, which will be equals to 160 upon EI. Thank you very much, students.